In this video we will talk about causes of constant phlegm and mucus in your throat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Home remedies for phlegm and mucus. Phlegm is a type of mucus produced in the lungs and lower respiratory tract. It is most noticeable when a person is acutely sick or has a long-standing health condition. Everyone clears their throat from time to time. Whether it's to get someone's attention, as a nervous habit, or because it feels like you have something stuck in it, there are a number of reasons that make us go ahem. How to get rid of phlegm and mucus. Hydration. Drink plenty of water when you're congested. It'll help loosen the mucus. If you're dehydrated, the mucus will become dehydrated too. That makes it thicker and harder to get out of your body. So avoid drinks like alcohol, coffee, and other caffeinated drinks. Keeping the air moist. Dry air irritates the nose and throat, causing more mucus to form as a lubricant. Placing a cool mist humidifier in the bedroom can promote better sleep, keeping the nose clear and preventing a sore throat. Drinking plenty of fluids. The body needs to stay hydrated to keep mucus thin. When a person is sick with a cold, drinking extra fluids can thin the mucus and help the sinuses to drain. People with seasonal allergies may also find that staying hydrated helps to avoid congestion. Applying a warm, wet washcloth to the face. This can be a soothing remedy for a pounding sinus headache. Inhaling through a damp cloth is a quick way to return moisture to the nose and throat. The heat will help to relieve pain and pressure. Eating plenty of fruit. One study found that a diet rich in fiber from fruit, and possibly soy, may lead to fewer respiratory problems linked to phlegm. Avoiding foods that cause acid reflux. Acid reflux can lead to an increase in phlegm and mucus. People prone to heartburn should avoid trigger foods and ask a doctor about proper management. Keeping the head elevated. When the buildup of mucus is particularly bothersome, it may help to sleep propped up on a few pillows or in a reclining chair. Lying flat can increase discomfort, because it may feel as though mucus is collecting at the back of the throat. Humidifiers. These small appliances fill the air with water vapor and moisturize your nose and throat. That helps combat the dry air that could be causing the problem. Your body makes thicker mucus, and more of it, to soothe dryness. When humidifiers moisturize your nose and throat, your body won't create as much mucus. Not suppressing a cough. It may be tempting to use suppressants when experiencing a nagging, phlegm-filled cough. However, coughing is the body's way of keeping secretions out of the lungs and throat. Use cough syrup sparingly, if at all. Discreetly getting rid of phlegm. When phlegm rises from the lungs into the throat, the body is likely trying to remove it. Spitting it out is healthier than swallowing it. Using a saline nasal spray or rinse. A saline spray or irrigator can clear out mucus and allergens from the nose and sinuses. Look for sterile sprays that contain only sodium chloride, and be sure to use sterile or distilled water when irrigating. Gargling with salt water. This can soothe an irritated throat and may help to clear away residual mucus. 1 teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water can be gargled several times per day. Using eucalyptus. Eucalyptus products have used to subdue coughs and reduce mucus for years. They are usually applied directly to the chest. A few drops of eucalyptus oil can also be added to a diffuser or a warm bath to help clear the nose. Not smoking and avoiding secondhand smoke. Smoking and secondhand smoke cause the body to produce more phlegm and mucus. Minimizing the use of decongestants. While they dry secretions and can alleviate a runny nose, decongestants may make it harder to get rid of phlegm and mucus. Decongestants. These medications narrow your blood vessels. This helps open airways. When air can pass through more easily, mucus dries up. The two most common decongestant ingredients are pseudoephedrine, found in Sudafed, and phenylephrine. You may want to take decongestants in the morning. They can raise your blood pressure and heart rate. They may also keep you awake. Essential oils. People use essential oils to help treat a range of illnesses, including sinus infections and chest colds. Limited research shows they may have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. So, if you breathe in the vapors of the oils, it may help drain your sinuses. Taking the right medicine. Medications known as expectorants can help to thin mucus and phlegm, making them easier to cough or blow out. However, check to make sure that these medications do not also contain decongestants. Keeping allergies in check. Seasonal allergies can lead to a runny or stuffy nose, as well as excess mucus and phlegm. Avoiding irritants. Chemicals, fragrances, and pollution can irritate the nose, throat, and lower airways. This causes the body to produce more mucus. Keeping track of food reactions. Some foods can cause reactions that mimic seasonal allergies. They may cause the nose to run and the throat to itch, leading to excess mucus. Make a record of any foods that trigger an increase in phlegm or mucus. Avoiding alcohol and caffeine. Both substances lead to dehydration if consumed in excess. When mucus and phlegm are an issue, drink plenty of warm, non-caffeinated beverages. Expectorants. These medications thin mucus, which can help you get it out of your system. Guaifenesin is the only over-the-counter expectorant. It has the same effect as drinking more liquids. You'll find it in brands like Mucinex and Robitussin. Vapor rubs. These don't cure the problem. But, they can help soothe the symptoms of congestion. Vicks VapoRub, perhaps the best-known one, combines cough suppressants and pain relievers. The active ingredients are camphor, eucalyptus oil, and menthol. You rub it on your throat and chest to let the vapor reach your nose and mouth. Taking a hot bath or shower. Time spent in a steam-filled bathroom will help to loosen and clear mucus in the nose and throat. Allowing hot water to pulse on the face can also bring relief from sinus pressure. Blowing the nose gently. It may be tempting to keep blowing until thick mucus comes out. However, doing so too forcefully may hurt the sinuses, leading to pain, pressure, and possibly infection. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.